onions have never tasted so delicious. This omelet is amazing. Start by slicing one onion into thin slices. Cut it calmly and tell me, where are you watching this video from right now? Here at home, onions like this already make my mouth water. Now take the onion to a frying pan. Add oil and spread it well. Let it fry slowly until it becomes soft and lightly golden. This omelet proves that simple food can be amazing. Now season with black pepper to taste. Keep stirring. That smell already tells you something good is coming. Who else loves well-sautéed onions? Now add 3 eggs. Mix everything until the eggs reach that perfect texture, soft and well combined with the onion. Season with parsley to taste. Besides flavor, it adds that fresh touch that makes all the difference. And now, the part everyone waits for, grated mozzarella on top. Spread it well, because there's never too much cheese, right? Now, just cover the pan and let the cheese melt slowly. Omelet ready. Look at this, golden, creamy, with all that melted cheese. A simple, quick, and delicious omelet for any time of day. Tell me in the comments, would you make this omelet today? And what city are you watching from? See you in the next video.